Right, we've got about 78 square metres of Amtico flooring that's been down for about 10 years, and we're also faced with the paint on the floor from a recent redeck. So Mike is just vacuuming up any loose debris at the moment. And what we're about to do is strip this floor and remove all dirt and grease. And there's quite a lot, as you can see. There's right out to the conservatory here. It's a bitterly cold day outside. But we're going to try and breathe new life into this old floor, and by kind of renovating the floor, cleaning it, sealing it with a product that kind of puts a new layer onto the surface of the floor. And what that does is it will cover up any scratches. I mean, we've got some scratches down here. It's going to certainly improve those areas. It won't make an old floor look brand new, but it will certainly make the floor look a darn sight better than it does now, for probably a third of what it's going to cost to pull this floor up and replace it. Remember folks, all this flooring's got to go somewhere when it's been pulled up, and usually it ends up in landfill. So before you make the decision to have your floor replaced, it might be worth considering having it renovated first. Anyway, we'll come back to this in a bit. We'll see how it looks then. Hi, this is Russ, ProSteam, and what you're looking at now is a refurbished, reconditioned, resurfaced Amtico floor. There's about, I don't know, 75 square metres here in this property, and before, this floor was full of grease and oil and dirt, and we took all that away, and we've put a new coating on the floor. And unfortunately, a pipe runs along this floor here, and it scorched the floor. And here, that's all looking really nice. So it's great. The customer's going to get a little bit more use out of the floor. I'd say a little bit. I would say probably a good 5 years at least. Let's just move around here to the front area. It's all looking really nice. There you go.